We love serving our community, we love living within our community, and it is our mission to be able to give the best chiropractic care we possibly can give.
We find so much joy and purpose every single day serving our practice members, and we are very, very thankful to be here.
There's the heart by which you guys do things is palatable, and who wouldn't want to have this family? I do.
I feel like I can hold my grandchildren. I don't lift them now that they're as heavy as they are, but I can do a lot and be a lot more active, get down on the floor with them, do a lot of more things that I did not feel like I would be able to do. And you all helped me regain that and be able to enjoy what I have to live for.
Before chiropractic, I thought I was in good shape, but looking back now, I wish I would have started chiropractic earlier. For the reasons I mentioned, my allergies, sleeping, it's just a bunch of little things that you don't realize chiropractic can help you with until you experience it. And now I can't imagine not going to a chiropractor.
It is the best care that I've ever received in the manner of how the people treat you, how they actually, they don't just adjust you and send you out. I mean, you come in, you scan, you go back, you get adjusted, but while they're adjusting you, they're telling you what they're doing. They're telling you why they're doing it and telling you how you're going to feel better because of what they've done.
Chiropractic care has helped me with infertility,
mental clarity,
polycystic ovary syndrome,
allergies, migraines,
TMJ,
hip pain, lower back pain,
migraines, back pain,
overall health.
I wouldn't imagine not having this in my life. I wouldn't imagine not having chiropractic care, and you all